how to add photos to an album without posting them publicly. This tutorial shows you how to upload photos to an album with the privacy set to only me, so no one else can see them on your Android device. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From there, scroll down and tap on Photos to open your Photos section. At this point, tap on Albums to see all your existing albums. In the next step, tap on an existing album you want to add photos to, or tap Create Album to make a new one. Following this, if you're creating a new album, type in a name for it before proceeding. Once done, look for the privacy setting and tap on it to change who can see the album. From here, select Only Me from the privacy options so the album and its photos are completely hidden from everyone else. At this stage, tap on Add Photos to open your gallery and select the photos you want to upload. After this, tap on all the photos you want to add to select them, and then tap Done to confirm your selection. Once completed, tap Save or Create to finish uploading your photos to the album. Finally, your photos will be saved to the album, and since the privacy is set to only me, they will not appear on your timeline or be visible to any of your friends or followers. And that's it. If this Facebook guide helped you save photos to an album privately, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.